Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. If you are new to the channel, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more charting and price manipulations. Do note that I'm just humble chartist and I do not provide any buy or sell calls. Instead, I focus on the potential traps laid out by the market makers. Always remember the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people most of the time. So this is a midweek of Alibaba. I usually don't do midweek videos because I usually do videos for Alibaba over the weekend. But nevertheless, since we are having a good punching up, I will come back and do some resistance to watch out for Alibaba in the next in the upcoming hours and even after the next 2 days. So let's take a look at Alibaba. Currently, we're trading about 119, and you can see that we managed to break through this very strong resistance at about 1082, 110. So now we are trending upwards, and you can see where exactly are my next resistance. If you look closely here, you can see that there is a one particular gap here that needs to be closed. However, before we can close the gap, there is actually one resistance that I'm currently looking at, and it's around 122.20. And it happens that this coincides with the clouds, so you can do expect some resistance upcoming here. So that will be my first resistance of 122. And to remember easily, I'll just put it at 122.22. Okay, next, we're moving on to the next resistance, which will be slightly after the gap has been closed, which is somewhere around 127 areas, about 127.60 around there. You need to be careful because there are a lot of sellers around this area. But that being said, I don't think we'll arrive there so soon because we still need to clear this 122 first before we can arrive at this 127. And after that, my last target would in fact be definitely it will be the 138. But before the 138, we actually have to clear this 135 first because you can see that it was in fact the previous resistance after this 138. So this is 135 is something that I'll be looking at. So after this 122 will be 127. 0.60, and the last target for Alibaba for the short-term target, it will be 135.50. Easy to remember, it will be 135.55. So all these three targets and resistance will be important for Alibaba in the upcoming hours and even in upcoming sessions. So nevertheless, there's a cloud incoming. Even though this cloud is quite thin, you need to be careful of a fake breakout. And not forgetting that we have a gap to be closed. So what exactly are fake breakouts? So for instance, what market makers would like to do is that they'll clear a certain resistance and to lure breakout traders to come in. Thereafter, they push down the stock. What you call just a healthy correction along the uptrend. So for instance, currently now I'm holding about 229 subscribers. So for instance, if let's say the resistance is at 230, so what market makers will do is that they'll push to 233 or 232, 233, and then after that they will flush back to 228, 229. So this is called a fake breakout. So what are you guys waiting for? Quickly help me press that subscribe button and help me clear 230 with good volume. Okay, anyways, jokes aside. Okay, so Alibaba, the next few days is very crucial, and it has been trending up for the next past few days already. So there's certain number of risks, and also you can see that the volume is really falling. Nevertheless, you can look at the MACD is still trending up, so it's a good sign. But we can do expect some pullbacks along the way, and not forgetting that Tencent results has already been announced, so it will affect some sentiment play in the Hong Kong market tomorrow. So yep, just a quick recap. These are my three resistance and three supports that Alibaba I'm looking for in Alibaba listed in New York Stock Exchange. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as you'll keep the uptrend on channel intact, just like Alibaba. Leave in the comment section below your thoughts on this particular stock, or if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.